In this video, I will show you how to convert a Word document to PDF. It could be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Microsoft Word opened and I've got this Word document opened. So you can see it's saved as a Word document. Now, if you want to go ahead and actually convert this to PDF, all you want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto File, and what you want to do is come down and click onto Save or Save a Copy. And once you've clicked on Save a Copy, you'll be taken to a screen like this. From here, what you want to do is select where you want to save a copy of this, so whether that's on your PC or your OneDrive or wherever basically you want to save the copy of this. Now, if you come up to the top here, you can see our document name, which is called Example, and you can see it's currently set to a Word document. Now, to convert from Word to PDF, all you need to do is click onto this drop down box underneath and you can see we've got some different file types. Now you can see PDF down here. All we need to do is give that a click. Then what we can do is go ahead and click save, and what it's going to do is actually automatically convert and save it as a PDF file. So you'll notice, because of course I've saved it as a PDF file, it's going to open up a new internet browser and you can see at the top it's converted it into a PDF. You can see up here it's example.pdf and we've got the original .doc document, Word document down here. So that is how to convert a Word document to PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.